Hi Pro Bono Australia crew, it's Claire Desira here, back with another video for you this month. I head up the Top 5 movement, and we're a training organisation for leaders in generous and change-making careers like yourselves. We share tools and coaching programs and leadership and wellbeing programs that can really support you to have a bigger impact, really through a stronger mindset and more resilience, more practical tools. No fluff, just practical tools. I'm excited to bring you the second video in our series around mindset hacks for a bigger impact. And today I want to talk about a moment that we all share on a work day. And that is that moment before we first walk into the office, or the moment we first log on in the morning if we're working from somewhere other than our office. And that is that starting the workday moment. And so many of us, when we're really passionate about the work we do and we're working in change-making careers, is we want to have a big impact, and we can be really frustrated and impatient about that. But we can also be working realistically in some pretty challenging environments when we really just want to make that change. And so it can be really common for us to feel stressed and anxious and maybe impatient as we're starting the workday, and to be thinking thoughts like, I don't have enough time to do everything that I want to today, to have the impact that I want to have today. I just simply don't have enough time. Now, this is a really common thought that we can have working in this space. And if we're really walking into the office with that thought front and center, then our behavior can be a bit dicey for the day. Some of us can run on this adrenaline really well and function really highly, but for a lot of us, a common reaction to that thought can be around feeling anxious and panicked, and maybe feeling a bit out of control, which can lead us to be really controlling with our behaviors, or really dominating with our behaviors, or to even withdraw or be a bit territorial with our behaviors. Now, some of these behaviors can sometimes really fuel us to get good work done, but they can often have a bit of a negative impact on culture as well. So what I really want you to focus on this month is exactly what are your thoughts as you're about to start work. What are your thoughts? And there's 3 thoughts I want to challenge you to add in this month and to focus on, even if it's just for 20 seconds or a minute before you actually step into that office or start work. And those thoughts are, number 1, today, even if there's lots of change or challenges, I'm going to be able to add lots of experience and my skills in a valuable way. So even if there's lots of change and challenges, I'm going to be able to use my skills and experience in a valuable way today. The second thought is, today, I'm going to be able to make a difference to other people. The third thought is, today, I'm going to learn some new things and build my confidence in new ways. So there's 3 thoughts there. One about the skills and experience that we add, even during challenging times. The other is around making a difference to others. The third is around building our own skills and experience. By making a choice to focus on and anchor into these thoughts at the start of the day, and then if you really want to get bonus points this month, during the day as well, like maybe when you're going into a big meeting or an opportunity or a challenge, you're actually training your brain to focus on other things. You're actually training it to focus on really helpful and productive new things. And when we actually tell our brain to look out for things, it naturally, to support us to survive, wants to find evidence to support those thoughts or statements. So by focusing on these helpful and productive thoughts around our skills and experience, our confidence, and making a difference to others, even during the toughest and the most challenging days, we'll be able to find evidence to support those things, which can lead us to have days where we feel really empowered, really in control, and like we're really making a difference, proud and maybe successful, and like we've really achieved something, which is a far cry from those earlier examples and feelings that I mentioned when we're walking into the office feeling like we just don't have enough time to do everything we want to. So that's my challenge this month. Every single list of deliverables or KPIs or projects, or even just any day, can be lived out in more than 100 different ways. And so often when we're feeling impatient or frustrated or stressed or going through change, we can forget the choice that we have in how we experience each day and the impact that we have on others. So making a conscious choice about the thoughts that we're going to focus on can make a world of difference, not only to you, to your teams, and of course to the impact that you're hoping to make. I hope you have fun with this experiment this month. Change takes time, so be kind to yourself, but I really encourage you to give it a go. And head on over to top5movement.com and let us know if you have any questions, or check out our other resources as they might be able to help too. I'll see you next month.